Morning, Cassidy.
Hello, Chris.
So, how's that scrap pile? I haven't seen him since he broke down.
He's in the works now.
Not sent packing? Well, anyway, any other news?
Let's say, Glitch and Glitter are in the mainland for some reason. Injured soldiers are coming from Vietnam, and that's pretty much it. Yeah.
Alright, you mates, be prepared for the storm that will come next week. You hear me? Or else you bugger off.
Right, sir. Alright, Cass, let's go.
For fuck's sake.
Sir, you need to take these soldiers now.
Fine, just hold up.
Sir, may I ask you a question?
What?
Well, have you...
Well, say another time. I have to go.
Fiddlesticks.
Failed again, eh?
Yep, never succeeded.
Why don't you tell him at night?
He's a heavy sleeper, what do you expect?
Why don't you try this?
What's this, Colory Girl Club? What's this about?
It's for you. I think you need help from here.
Well, thank you, Annalise. You're the best communist I've ever met.
You're welcome. But I'm Polish!
Yes, who is it? It's me. Oh, come in. Fuck.
Brianna, I never see you coming here.
Annalise says this place is going to help my love struggle. And who is that man? Frederick.
Oh my god!
Oh, well, this might be a hard case.
Wow, sounds rough.
I know what you're thinking, but... come on, help me, please. Right, let's do this. First, you need to do... pulling goods? Yeah, it's the best way for it. Why? Do not ask the details. What about my duty to take soldiers?
Me and Scarlett will take care of it. Just deal with it.
Bother.
You do know she hates trucks, right?
Yeah, but it sounds cool to me.
In what way?
Only for Frederick. Only for Frederick. Come on, you lazy trucks, move! That is an order!
Who do you think she is? A general? This would be that.
Come on! Come on! I made it! Yay!
Now's the chance!
What the?
Meanwhile...
Sir, move!
Oh, shit.
Whoa, holy shit, look at that maniac go.
Damn it! We should stop this immediately. Come on, break.
Meanwhile...
Well, you know that this is very unusually peaceful, right?
Love, I think you said it too loud.
Are you all right, Rear Admiral Frederick?
I think I should say that first. Oh, bloody hell.
My side rods.
Come on, let's take you to the harbor. Oh, sir, No need to feel sorry, Frederick. You did wonderfully well. If you didn't help, Brianna would have crashed into a mine and collapsed. Thank you.
Oh, didn't suspect it.
Anyway, Brianna, you need to fix your cyrus here, as parcel will come here by ship just tomorrow.
Right, sir. Sir, before you go, may I say something?
Yeah? What is it? Hello?
Will you be my boyfriend?
Pardon?
Will you be my boyfriend, sir?
Let me think about it. And I will tell you tonight.
What did I do wrong?